Are you ready for a challenge? Well, I got a fun one for you. Just recently, my one buddy Mario, aka
6Door74,
uploaded this video to Facebook of him at a gas station doing a U-turn in between the pumps. After watching this video, I immediately thought, this would be awesome to turn into a challenge. Hey Chuck, what do you think about this idea?
Woo-wee! That sounds like a ripping, tallywhacking good time to me, Joe!
Not only is this a fun challenge, it'll help you practice your slow speed maneuvers in a real world situation. Well, there's only one thing to do now. Let's head to the gas station. Insert intense music here.
let's do this.
That was intense, baby. Now that I've completed this, I'm gonna challenge 3 of my fellow content creators. Robert Simmons from Be the Boss of Your Motorcycle, Q, the Rider from Riding and Wrenching, and Paul the Motor Guy from Pro Rider Texas. I challenge you. Not only am I gonna challenge them, I'm gonna challenge all of my viewers. I want you to record completing this challenge, and then I want you to challenge 3 other people. If you send me your video, I'm gonna make a follow-up video with a compilation of everybody that completed the challenge. You can send your videos to the email down below. Pro tip, if your video is too large to send, go ahead and upload it to either iCloud or Google Photos and then email me the link and I'll download it. Hey, in order to complete this challenge, you have to know how to do a U-turn. Check out this video right here and I'll teach you how. This is Joe Go with Joe Go Motorcycle Adventures. Until next time, ride on.